Hello and welcome. My name is Greg and allow me to tell you a little bit more about the stunning Volkswagen Transporter T32 Combi that is now joining our approved use stock here at Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. This particular example is the Highline show wheelbase model, finished here in Indium grey metallic paintwork and powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS worth of power. In terms of equipment, there will be plenty for you to enjoy: front and rear fog lights, automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers, as well as front parking sensors to name a few. The car looks incredibly handsome in this Indium grey metallic paint, and it will be further complemented by a set of these 17-inch alloy wheels, which look absolutely gorgeous. Round the side of the vehicle, you'll be happy to know there's a rear seating compartment available for passengers, as well as privacy tinted windows so they stay undisturbed. With the sliding doors open on both sides, it will reveal a space with loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, and there is even 3 ISOFIX child anchor points available, which is great for bringing the little ones along with you. Additionally, metal tether hooks with a protected floor are great if in case you're ever carrying any large items and for tying them down. As we move towards the rear of the vehicle, you also have got full privacy rear glass again, which complements the grey paintwork very nicely. And with the rear tailgate open, you can see for yourself there's loads of space. Sidewalls are also protected and reinforced, and there are additional metal tether hooks in the floor. Loads of space are great for your shopping needs, or especially when going away on holidays or further afield. Ambient LED lighting will also keep the cabin illuminated in poor visibility and difficult conditions. As we slowly move towards the driver's door, a quick glimpse inside the cabin will reveal a very premium offering the likes of a leather-wrapped steering wheel that is multifunctional, a large entertainment screen that will have all your entertainment and infotainment needs covered, as well as prominent seating for up to 2 passengers with the cabin finished in 2-tone cloth upholstery, and there is even an armrest for the driver, which is great for staying comfortable on those longer trips afield. Once we get behind the driver's seat, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Driver control panels will offer electrically operated, heated and power folding wing mirrors, as you can see here for yourself, as well as electric windows all round. Moving down the cabin, easy-to-use rotary dial will operate the automatic headlights, whilst the wheel itself is multifunctional and can operate Bluetooth and trip computer information from the right side, with the left side operating the easy-to-use cruise control with a speed limiter function, as well as volume controls for all your music. The trip computer will have all the key vehicle information on hand, such as trip, fuel economy and mileage, but also audio controls and radio. Navigation and Bluetooth contacts can be operated, with various other vehicle sub-menus to play around with. In the center, however, there's a large infotainment screen which will have everything you would want. Offering various station lists, it offers both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with additional presets and media source functionality, unlocking various add-ons. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy with the vehicle, and you can really play around with it, whilst the built-in satellite navigation is available with the vehicle with mapping for UK and Europe, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto can be enabled as an option should you find it beneficial. Easy to use air conditioning system, as well as a heated climate front windscreen is on offer too. The easy to use DSG automatic gearbox is an absolute joy, and will come with a rear view parking camera to complement the front and rear sensors. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of this Transporter Highline that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more, call us now on 0151 515 2911 to discuss further. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it.